Vladimir Lenin, and he argued for an immediate revolution to remove the Tsar from power and establish a socialist state. So here you can see this was the question of difference between these two people, though they belonging to the same party, but on that question, on this question, they their theories or their operation of achieving socialist state became different, and finally in 1903 it was divided. So Mensheviks and Bolsheviks. The leader of Menshevik was Julius Martov and the leader of Bolshevik was Vladimir Lenin. Okay, beta, this is one of the important topic, and the differences between the Mensheviks and Bolsheviks are asked in exams. So it is very, very important. Now here, what were the differences between Mensheviks and Bolsheviks? First of all, you can see here, these are the political symbols. This is the symbol of Bolsheviks and this is the symbol of Mensheviks. These symbols were adopted by them after their split in 1903. So what were the differences basically between Mensheviks and Bolsheviks? The Mensheviks represented a minority group under the leadership of Alexander Kerensky. Beta, Kerensky actually after the February Revolution, he became the Prime Minister of Provisional Government. So here his name is considered as a leader, but actual leader of the Menshevik was Julius Martov and he was his co-partner. Mensheviks believed in gradual change and establishment of a parliamentary form of government like that of France and Britain. Means they wanted gradual change, slow changes, and for the establishment of parliamentary form of government. They also favored a party which was open to all and to work within the system. Means they wanted to open the party for all. Means the person who wanted to whomever want to join the party could join. There was no restriction or no such rules were decided by the Mensheviks because they were liberal in their attitude. That is why they kept open the doors for everyone to join the party. On the other hand, the Bolsheviks under their leader Lenin constituted a majority of the socialists. They were in majority. Most of the people in Russia were in favor of revolutionary mindset, and they favored Bolsheviks. What the Bolsheviks wanted to work for revolution. They favored a disciplined party to control the members and quality of its members. Yes, just opposite to Mensheviks, they were believing in radical ideas and they favored a disciplined party and control membership so that they can improve and maintain the quality of members. Okay, means they want to working on discipline ideas, criteria decided by them, and wanted to maintain the quality of their members. So this was the question, this was a difference. The another difference between Mensheviks and Bolsheviks, Bolsheviks wanted to make the party an instrument for bringing about the revolution. They wanted to make the party, they wanted to use the party as an instrument. Instrument for what? To bring about the revolution. Means it was a platform for those for the Bolsheviks through which they can they can organize the people, they can increase their members, and they can create awareness and could lead the government. So this was used by them as an instrument. So these were few differences between Mensheviks and Bolsheviks. Children, these were the basic ideological differences. Along with this, you can add the leader's name as a point of difference. You can add their political symbol as a point of difference, okay, and the question on which they were differ from each other, minority and majority. So, in this way you can make 4 or 5 points of differences. This is one of the important question in Russian Revolution. Now,